English Learning Network.
Hi.
Good morning. Welcome to Bean Cafe.
Thank you.
What can I get for you today?
I'd like a latte, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like whole milk, oat milk, almond milk, or soy milk?
Whole milk is fine.
Would you like any flavor? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
Yes, vanilla, please.
Great! Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, I'll have a blueberry muffin.
Good choice.
How much is everything?
It's $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your payment was successful.
Great, thank you.
Can I have your name for the order?
Emma.
Could you spell that, please?
EMMA.
Thank you. It'll be ready in about 5 minutes.
No problem.
Emma!
Yes?
Your order is ready.
Thank you so much.
Here you are. 1 medium hot vanilla latte and 1 blueberry muffin.
Everything looks great.
Would you like a straw or a sleeve for your cup?
A sleeve, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Do you need any sugar?
Yes, 1 packet, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Could I also have a napkin?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
The coffee is really good.
Thank you. We make it fresh every day.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd love to see you again.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your coffee.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.